skills चाहिए कौन सा skills चाहिए? These are the top 3, top 5 skills that you need to have if you're trying to build a career in. So I pinged you on LinkedIn. Why did you reply to me? What did you see? I was like a cold email.
Yeah.
Right? You didn't know me.
Yeah.
So how did you decide that, okay, I'm going to respond to this?
I went on your LinkedIn to see what you were up to. I started looking and then I saw that, okay, you opened this company called Admit Card and you're really helping out international students. Then I thought that, okay, this is something that I resonate with and I might want to reply.
So guys, again, it's like, see, the same way we all are humans,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
I'm nobody to her, and then to check the authenticity, you would go to the person who sent it to you.
Yeah.
The real benefit comes when you start posting. You are learning and you are sharing. You are
Yes.
learning and you are
Yes,
sharing.
yes.
So that kind of gives you the confidence of talking about it as well,
Yes.
and then people are automatically finding out that you are interested, if not
Yeah.
even good at it.
Yes,
So,
exactly.
so I think that's actually a really good use. Did your LinkedIn presence or how you make your LinkedIn
Yeah.
profile, what you do on LinkedIn, do you think that matters?
It can matter. Some of my friends.
If you are looking to study abroad, then watch this full video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.
Skills चाहिए कौन सा skills चाहिए? What are the skills, you know?
Yeah.
If you had to kind of give a hard answer that, okay guys, these are the top 3, top 5 skills that you need to have if you're trying to build a career in marketing.
Marketing is a field that anybody can get into, but it's still quite competitive because anybody can get into
Yeah.
it. It is better if you have some hard skills. Having worked previously, I got the chance to really work on my communication skills, which is extremely important. You might have to pitch to clients, you might have to do those calls, you might, like, if you're able to pitch yourself, you will become a good marketer. So that's one of the
And as
first.
a part of research of
Yeah.
marketing, you have to talk to potential customers,
Yeah.
like in your internship.
Exactly.
You know, at the university, you had to
Yeah.
talk to professors.
Yeah.
And hence, in marketing, communication is one of the most core
Yeah.
skills. Being able to understand others and being able to share your ideas with them.
Yeah, exactly. So that's one of the soft skills, I
Yeah.
would say, but still the core of marketing.
And that kind of started with your sales experience, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so you were made for marketing. Yeah. So what else?
Then second, I would working, just getting to know CRM systems. I have worked with a lot of CRM systems, so people really look at how, if you can understand customers, if you can deal with data on the back end, that kind of really helps out. If you have the time, develop those Excels, focus on your university projects, which might make you work with Excel a lot, make you do like pivot tables, dashboards, formulas. Just get a hang with that so that you get the
analytical
technical
skills,
Yeah.
Excel,
Yeah.
some of the things that you mentioned, of course, like pivot tables
Yeah.
in Excel. So the very basic or very extreme like understanding, but an intermediate understanding of
Yeah.
Excel is important so that you
Yeah.
are able to run analytics. Third thing you mentioned was CRM. Which CRMs are common in the UK, which you have a knowledge of, will be beneficial?
Well, I would say every company uses a different CRM system. Salesforce, HubSpot, they are some of the common ones.
Right, the big companies, Salesforce, the startup ecosystem uses HubSpot. Yeah.
So
yeah.
if you can like get familiarized with those, even just by watching YouTube videos, you don't even need a certification. Like just
Right.
familiarity and showcasing to the interviewer that I have used CRM systems and I can work in your CRM system, because it's not a very complex process
Yes.
system, but just showcasing that you can use it.
The
really
fundamentals
helps.
are same across, but
Yeah.
anybody who has to spend some time training you
Yeah.
onto the system that they are using, it's a hurdle, right? So
Yeah.
if you are already proficient, then that inertia is not there. So
Yeah.
two CRMs that Anushka mentioned was Salesforce and HubSpot. Start by watching YouTube videos on it, and then see if you are wherever you are interning, if you can get exposure to these two or any other one, and the concepts are similar.
Yeah, literally.
So CRM is basically, you know, customer relationship management, where you can map the entire journey of your customer,
Yeah.
and a lot of data points are captured in that system.
Yes.
And then you use an Excel on top of it
Yeah.
to use that data and bring out insights as to
Yes.
what should be communicated, which
Yes.
are the right customers to talk to,
Yes.
and you know, sort of creating a holistic marketing plan by knowing your customers better.
Yes.
So that's what you are talking about. Anything else, Anushka?
You explained my thoughts really well. Thank you so much. There are a couple more skills that I have developed along the line. One of them is email marketing skills that I have personally developed and gotten interested in. So I'm really focusing on that. You can focus on any other as well, people, because marketing is really big.
Yes.
So it would be nice if you can pick your niche and really look at what you are good at. I feel that I am good at making complex information look easy to understand in terms of written communication, be it through email campaigns, be it through LinkedIn posts, etc. So I've really done a lot of work on that in my previous job. So I have started focusing myself in that. You could do for social media as well. You could start learning about that. So just pick one of the skills. You don't need to have everything.
Right.
You don't need to
So
be an
don't go
agency.
about pushing through every side of marketing, because of course it's so huge and it's going to be impossible
Yeah.
to be knowing and mastering everything.
Yeah.
But to be able to go very deep in one domain
Yeah.
makes you a specialist.
Yeah.
And showcases that you can become a specialist, because you know how to become specialist in one. And if
Exactly.
required, you can use the same process on another skill.
Yeah.
And then become a specialist in the other.
Yeah.
So that's again very, very powerful statement that you made, Anushka, because I think when we are thinking of marketing, we also get confused as to what is marketing,
Yeah.
right? And then marketing is so many different things.
Exactly.
And so pick one niche
Yeah.
and become the best in the world on
Yeah,
that. They just
exactly.
explore the hell out of it. So,
Yeah.
so yeah, anything else you want to talk about?
Well, yeah, so exploring the hell out of it is the right statement, because people in the UK, they really look for specialists. And I mean, you don't have to be the best at it, but you need to pick your niche and tell them that, yeah, I am good at this one thing. And since we are in junior careers, we might have to like wear a lot of hats. So
Yeah.
just be open to learning, be open to learning more about marketing, keep on exploring LinkedIn thought leaders and like what's trending, just all of those things.
Did your LinkedIn presence or how you make your LinkedIn
Yeah.
profile, what you do on LinkedIn, do you think that matters?
It can matter. Some of my friends, when they were trying to look for jobs, they started posting actively on LinkedIn every 2 times per week, 3 times per week, just talking about their life experiences. And they did pick a niche. So some people are just talking about B2C marketing, or some people are only talking about trends in social media, or they're talking about just life or job interviews. People were talking about things, but they picked a niche and they started doing it. And some of my friends and colleagues have become like LinkedIn top voice just by doing that. And they receive DMs from recruiters because they are showcasing in the world that they know about one topic or they're interested. So people just want that. At the end of the day, you are marketing yourself. So LinkedIn presence can matter if you want
So
to build
absolutely, I think what Anushka is saying is that LinkedIn profile, making it beautiful. A lot of people are out there charging you money to make it look swanky. Career officers will take a very nice
Yeah.
picture. Now AI can get you a good one for free of cost. All of that is there, but the real benefit comes when you start posting. You are learning and you are sharing. You are
Yes.
learning and you are
Yes.
sharing.
Yes.
So that kind of gives you the confidence of talking about it as well.
Yes.
And then people are automatically finding out that you are interested, if not
Yeah.
even good at it.
Yes,
So,
exactly.
so I think that's actually a really good use of LinkedIn as a platform. It's kind of like just putting out your own learnings, whatever
Yes.
whatever you have learned. And then if you're trying to specialize along that journey, you can get people to also recognize you for that.
Yeah, definitely.
So, guys, let's take a small pause and let me tell you that I counsel hundreds of students looking to study abroad every month. And I am here to help you guys, not just with understanding your profile, which country or university is the best one for you, but help you through the admission process. And me and my team will get you your visa on time. And if you want a one-on-one counseling session with me, please go into the description. There is a link to my Calendly and you can book a one-on-one slot with me. And let's get back to our video now.
Definitely. And with LinkedIn, I have observed that recruiters, when they interview you, they always stalk you on LinkedIn beforehand. So your LinkedIn needs to look nice. It needs to have all the experiences that you did. Some people, they don't focus on LinkedIn as much, but I would say just make it properly so that if they stalk you, they can see that you are a legit person, you
Yes.
have experiences, any references as well, if you can.
So I pinged you on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
Yeah, got connected with you through that. Why did you reply reply to me, what did you see? I was like a cold email,
Yeah.
right? You didn't know me.
Yeah.
So how did you decide that, okay, I'm going to respond to this?
Well, again, since you pinged me, I went on your LinkedIn to see what you were up to and what was this message even about. So I started looking, and then I saw that, okay, you opened this company called Admit Card, and you're really helping out international students. Then I thought that, okay, this is something that I resonate with, and I might want to
So
reply.
guys, again, it's like, see, the same way we all are humans,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
I'm nobody to her, and then to check the authenticity, the genuineness of the message, you would go to the person who sent it to you.
Yeah.
And if once you do that, and if you don't find that genuineness, then you will probably not waste your time responding to it.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
of course, the more naturally you do it, the better it will be. But if you are, especially in your job hunt process, you need to be out there.
Yeah.
You need to put that effort in,
Yeah.
for sure. That's so much information for today. I think we have got many details, understanding careers in marketing, Birmingham as a city, opportunities here. It's been a fantastic time with you, Anushka.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for taking the time out and showing us around the city center. And lovely having you. And for all of you, if you have enjoyed this, you've learned from it, please subscribe to our channel, as we are going to be having many more of these conversations to bring to you live from what is happening on ground in the UK, how you can make your career here in the UK. Thanks everyone. Thanks for today. And that's all from us, Birmingham, UK.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Anushka, can you find a job in the UK?
Yes.
Yes, you can?
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel, and I will see you all in the next video.